Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to see how to create a multi-dependent drop-down list in Excel. So here I want to create, for example, a drop-down list here that allows me to select either US or China, and here another one dependent to the value that I have here in the country that allows me to select either all the cities of US or China based on this value, okay? So let's see how can we do it. So first of all, we need to call the array where we have the data in the same name of the country. So for example, here, all these cities, we need to call them US, okay? How can we do it? We just select the cells where we have the data, all of them, and then we call it US in this way. While we have to do the same thing also for China, let's select the first 6 rows, so we can also add new cities in case, and here we call it China. Okay, so now we gave these two set of arrays a specific name. Now we go into the country cell where we want to have the first drop down list that should allow the US or China. We go into the data tab, we select this tool, data validation, and allow we select list, and as a source we select our two options, okay, US or China. We type enter and we press OK. So now we have our first drop down. As you can see, if I use Alt and the arrow down, I can select either US or China, okay? So for example, let's put the US, and now we need to create the second drop down. How can we do it? In the same way, we go into data validation, and here as a list we need to use a specific formula that we call it equal indirect, and we need to indicate the first cell where we have the country value, this one, without any dollar sign. So we just remove them, we close the parentheses, and we type enter. Now if I use again Alt and the arrow down, you can see that I have a drop down list that is dependent on the value of G2 cell. So in this case I have a US and I can select just Seattle, Chicago, Phoenix, and so on, okay? But if I change it to China, for example, you see that it automatically updates and I can just select the cities corresponding to China, okay? So I hope this video was useful, and let me know in case you have any questions or comments. Thank you very much.